Good morning to all of you. Welcome to SIT. Congratulations to all the students for getting admitted to SIT, one of the prestigious institutions of Karnataka. At the outset, I submit my reverential pranams to the holy feet of His Holiness, Dr. Shri Shivkumar Swamiji, and to the holy feet of His Holiness, Shri Siddhalinga Swamiji. And begin the program with invocation by Miss Manvita and Miss
Prathama pranamagalu Shri Ganeshane Gauri Sutane Shri Ganeshane Gauri Sutane Pashankushadharane Prathama pranamagalu Prathama pranamagalu Mushika vahana sondila vadana dhanujara harana sarpabharana Mushika vahana sondila vadana dhanujara harana sarpabharana Bhaktiya bedikeyu Prathama pranamagalu Prathama pranamagalu Vigna vinashaka devara deva Suragana sevita dinarakava Vigna vinashaka devara deva Suragana sevita dinarakava dinara palakane nee vanditane deva prathama pranamagalu prathama pranamagalu Shri Ganeshane Gauri Sutane Pashankushadharane Prathama pranamagalu Prathama pranamagalu Prathama pranamagalu
Manvita and Shanvita. SIT was established in the year 1963 with three basic branches of civil, mechanical and electrical engineering. Presently, we have 12 undergraduate programs and 16 postgraduate programs. And there are about 300 faculty members who are competent, qualified and committed. And out of 300, more than 100 have a PhD degree, and another 60 of faculty members are pursuing their doctoral degree in different reputed organizations like IIT, Indian Institute of Science and National Institute of Technologies. Also, many faculty members from different institutions, they are also pursuing their PhD at different research labs in the different departments of SIT. And there is quality research going on in all the programs, and this has resulted in filing more than 50 patents. And SIT is also involved in undertaking R&D projects from reputed R&D labs around the country. Our placement is also excellent. More than 80% of our students get placed before they complete their degree. Very recently, National Institutional Ranking Framework, that is NIRF, from Ministry of HRD and Government of India, has undertaken a survey, and in that it has ranked SIT as number 4 in whole of Karnataka and number 70 in whole of India. And I am happy to inform you that SIT has overtaken many of the NITs. So with this brief introduction, now I request our principal to welcome the gathering.
Very good morning to all of you. And warm greetings from SIT, which is ranked among the top 100 engineering institutions in the country, along with IITs and NITs. Pranams to revered Swamijis, dignitaries on the dais and off the dais. Hearty congratulations to all the students for having chosen SIT for your engineering and architecture studies. This is truly a celebration of your entry to SIT as undergraduate students. Now we have assembled here for the inauguration of first year classes for the academic year 2016-17. Dr. Sri Sri Shivakumar Swamiji, revered founder, president, Sri Siddhaganga Education Society, is a busy personality and is guiding his successor, Sri Sri Siddhalinga Swamiji, in running the Siddhaganga Gurukula, which Swamiji nurtured over 85 years, where 9,000 poor students of all faiths and communities are given free food, education and shelter. Although Sri Siddhaganga Gurukula is called as Veerashaiva Lingayat Gurukula, only about 2,500 students belong to this caste and the rest belong to all castes. In the Gurukula, all the students pray together, dine together and study together. And the Gurukula is a secular institution in its true meaning. Swamiji, even at the age of 109 years, is also guiding Sri Siddhaganga Education Society, which is running 125 educational institutions. Also, Swamiji receives thousands of pilgrims and devotees every day. Despite busy schedule, Sri Swamiji has kindly agreed to grace this ceremony and bless all of us today. On behalf of all of us, I extend reverential welcome to His Holiness, Dr. Sri Sri Shivakumara Swamiji. Sri Sri Siddhalinga Swamiji, our revered President, Sri Siddhaganga Education Society, has been an ardent follower of his guru and mentor, Dr. Sri Sri Shivakumar Swamiji. Sri Sri Siddhalinga Swamiji has assumed the full responsibility of looking after the 125 educational institutions and Sri Siddhaganga Gurukula. Sri Siddhalinga Swamiji is also a busy personality. In spite of busy schedule, Swamiji has kindly agreed to grace and bless all of us today. On behalf of all of us, I extend devotional welcome to His Holiness, Sri Sri Siddhalinga Swamiji. It gives me immense pleasure in extending a very hearty welcome to Dr. M.N. Channabasappa, our respected director, who has agreed to deliver the inaugural address. I extend a cordial welcome to Srinivasa Ramanujam, Academic Relations Manager, Karnataka, TCS, and his colleagues for this inaugural function. TCS is our major recruiter. For 2016 batch, TCS has recruited 430 students from SIT, which is a record for Karnataka state. It gives me great pleasure in extending a warm welcome to all our first year students and their respected parents. I extend a very cordial welcome to all my esteemed colleagues and invitees from media. Before I conclude my welcome address, I have a couple of appeals for parents. Now I invite all the parents to visit SIT as many times possible or at least once in a semester. Also, please visit us whenever there is a request from us. Please regularly be in contact with the faculty members about the progress of your wards in an effort to affirm success. Students can achieve success when responsibility is accepted with sincerity, integrity, and purpose. If you all work together and communicate effectively, your individual and institution goals can be attained. More importantly, the institution has taken a decision of not allowing any boarder in the hostel to own and use motorbikes and cars. The students are welcome to use bicycles, and let us follow the model of IITs in this regard, and let us save our ecosystem for future generations. And those who are staying in their houses and coming with bikes, that is, ride safely, then always have your parents in mind, and I appeal you should ride the vehicles very safely. Mahatma Gandhi ji, the father of our nation, had said cleanliness is next to godliness, and sanitation and cleanliness are more important than independence. Thus, cleanliness and sanitation are integral part of Gandhian way of living. To fulfill Mahatma Gandhi's vision, Swachh Bharat, that is Clean India Abhiyan, was launched by our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is very special to our Siddhganga Mutt and its institutions. Although this Abhiyan was officially launched on 2nd October 2014, it was informally launched before, that is on 24th September 2014 itself, by our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, when he visited our Mutt, took blessings of His Holiness Dr. Sri Sri Shivakumar Swami ji, and addressed the students of Siddhganga Gurukula. I appeal to all the students to participate in the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan on every Wednesday between 4 p.m. and 6 p.m. On Wednesdays between 4 p.m. and 6 p.m. there are no classes. Therefore, I appeal to all of you to participate in this Abhiyan. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Now inauguration by lighting the lamp. Now I request our beloved director, Dr. M.N. Channabasappa, to give the inaugural address.
Good morning, ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು. At the outset, I offer my respectful pranams at the lotus feet of His Holiness Sri Sri Shivakumar Swamiji and His Holiness Sri Sri Siddhalinga Swamiji. Respected members of Siddhganga Education Society, all the first year students of 2016-17 who are the youngest owners of SIT, you are the youngest owners of SIT, I repeated it, and their respected parents. My esteemed colleagues, invitees, a very hearty welcome to all of you. Dear students, you have selected SIT for your engineering studies. I heartily congratulate you because somebody must have told you that SIT is a good college, and the Government of India this year has also declared that it is one of the top 100 engineering colleges of the country. I really congratulate you for joining this good institution. Some of you have a feeling that you could not make it to IITs or NITs, no matter. With determination and focused work, you can achieve in SIT whatever you wanted to achieve elsewhere. All achievers you have heard of or read about have done through only hard work. The Nobel laureate Albert Einstein, the creator of theory of relativity, was asked, "Sir, what is the secret of your success?" His answer was 99% perspiration and 1% inspiration. In the English dictionary, if you search the word success and work, only in the dictionary success comes before work. But in real life, word precedes success. Work precedes success. You have done well so far in your education, and that has helped you to get admission to a good institution like SIT. Now, in order to continue your success in the same strain, you have to continue to work hard. Because if you think you have done well in SSLC and PU, it's okay, I have entered in university and that will continue. There is a Subhashita in Sanskrit, Nahi suktasya simhasya pravishanti mukhe mrugaha. It only means lion, the king of forest. If it thinks I am the king of forest and just sits comfortably, other animals on their own will not enter its mouth and form the food for the lion. Lion has to continue to work even if it is a lion. You are all merited students, therefore that merit should sustain. Therefore the hard work should just continue. There is a story about Einstein's driver. Before that, I would just mention that most of the college students, the moment they enter the college, think that they are no more primary school children. They don't have to attend every one of the classes held in the college. That is a false assumption. Unless you attend all the classes, you will not succeed. There is a big reward instituted by Swamiji for those who attend every one of the classes in a semester. In a semester, if you are present in every class, you will get an award of 500 rupees, which you can use to buy books. You have 8 semesters in 4 years, 8 into 4,000 rupees you can get as reward. Not only that, this will be finding a place in your record. And those who go through your academic record will find that you are a person who is totally committed and totally regular in your work. So let me come to Einstein again. In 1920s, when Einstein's theory of relativity was published, many universities in Europe and elsewhere invited Einstein for lectures. Einstein's lectures were really difficult to follow with all the mathematics involved. Hardly anybody could follow, even including the big professors in the beginning. But wherever Einstein went, his driver accompanied him, and he sat in the front bench and listened with rapt attention to whatever Einstein was lecturing. After this happened in about a dozen universities, the driver felt encouraged. I have learned everything whatever Einstein could tell me. I have sat there with attention. So he made a proposal to his master. Sir, in the next university, let us exchange positions. I will lecture, you will sit as my driver. Einstein was naturally amused. Okay, let us try. So it happened in one of the universities. The driver could repeat whatever Einstein could have said in his position. And at the end, and this driver who was lecturing picked up one of those and read it, looked at the audience, looked at the person who had put up that question, then smilingly he said, "Such a simple question, my driver will answer it." Driver was sitting in the front line. So that was the story of the moral of the story is, if you listen in the classroom with rapt attention, you are likely not to miss any information that the teacher is giving you. Therefore, let us attend every one of the classes. At the same time, let us also be giving a rapt attention to whatever is happening there. I am very happy to announce that SIT is a college with a difference for more than one reason. And the important reason you have already been told, that you are ranked among the top 100 colleges, but our India ranking is 70, and on this occasion, I would request and appeal to every one of you, by the time that you leave this college after 4 years, please leave this college with the ranking of at least 50, from 70 to 50. So if all of us join together, you and we should be able to, with the blessings of our holiness, do it. That is an appeal to you. Yeah. I don't see any reason why you should have any apprehension to be in this particular college. You are all new to the place, most of you, and new language and new environment. And this is one college where there is no ragging. Can you imagine that? That is correct information that you are getting. Some time back, it was even 15 years back perhaps, the Education Minister of Karnataka government made a statement in the State Assembly. SIT is the only college which has no ragging information. So we had not invited that minister to the college. He had not visited. He had his own information. That was the information that was splashed on all the national newspapers even 15 years back. So that, with the help of all teachers and students, SIT has that particular reputation where there is no ragging. So you youngsters would continue with that tradition and enhance the name of SIT. The only perhaps important item to be attended is your homesickness. You are away from your parents and grandparents, and if that is the feeling, let me tell you that His Holiness is the grandfather of 9,000 plus kids in Siddhaganga Gurukula. And another 1,000 from your side should not be a problem for His Holiness to accept you as his grandchildren. Therefore, whenever you have your birthday or any other occasion where you feel that you are away from your parents, please visit His Holiness at Siddhaganga Mutt. And this is one place, and this is one saint who can be visited without any prior appointment. Anybody, anytime, if he is there in this mutt, he will be able to just accept you and you can talk to him, take his blessings. Therefore, you don't have to worry that you are away from your parents. Yeah, I don't want to take much of your time, and our principal has already made an appeal to all of you that you can participate in Swachh Bharat Abhiyan and many other good things. And we are also thinking of organizing yoga practices in the morning and in the evening in the college. And those who give their names and take, you need not be worried about your body is not bending forwards or backward as required. That is not an issue at all. So do the exercises to the level that it is possible for you. Be comfortable, and good health is a prerequisite. Therefore, follow that. Now, SIT is a co-ed college. I am very happy to see boys and girls with their bright faces and innocent looks. And let the same innocent grace prevail on the graduation day after 4 years. I do not wish to say more on this subject except to mention that certain processes in life are not reversible. So let all of us take the benefit of following Lakshmana Rekha. Dr. Prabhudev was the Vice Chancellor of Bangalore University. It was some 7-8 years back he visited our college on an occasion like this. And he is a heart surgeon. He said, "Dear boys and girls, I am a heart surgeon. I must have cut open thousands of hearts, but in no case I have found a boy or a girl in any of the hearts. Therefore, when somebody tells you that you are in his heart, you take it with a pinch of salt." That was his advice. Again, our principal has requested that you give your wards the money or cash, and don't give your card at all. You can just send some money through a check or DD, which they can cash and use it. And particular appeal is to mothers and grandparents. So in secret, they may pass on some more cash to their grandchildren. So this is again not a welcome thing. And we are not a non-veg hostel. We are a vegetarian hostel. And vegetarian, even animals, they are very strong. Look at the elephant. It doesn't take anything which is non-veg. Therefore, if our hostels are veg hostels, you are lucky that you are in a way for good health. Therefore, be happy with it and eat. Many fruits are available in Tumkur, just outside the gate. There are stalls where good fruits are available. When I was in Delhi last year, I was searching for a plantain. I had to walk miles. I could not find any, only buildings, high-rise buildings. But Tumkur is a place where things are available. And spend your money not on kurkure and similar things. Eat a number of fruits, drink milk. This is what my advice to you. When I go around the hostels, sometimes I find the walls pasted with photographs of cricketers and film people. I don't grudge you for that. Along with those photos, you also keep on your table a photograph of your parents. That would remind you every morning and evening that there are people who are always praying for your good health in Siddhaganga Institute of Technology campus. With these words, again wishing you all the best for 4 years. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now it is a customary during inauguration function to invite the parents to share their impressions about SIT. And in this regard, now I will be requesting Mr. T.G. Narendranath. He is an alumnus of SIT. He was in civil engineering department in early 80s. And he is the father of T.G. Akshata, who has joined SIT this year for electronics and communication. Mr. T.G. Narendranath.
ಪರಮ ಪೂಜ್ಯ ಗುರುಗಳ ಪಾದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಸ್ಕರಿಸುತ್ತಾ, ವೇದಿಕೆಯ ಮೇಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರೇ, ಬೋಧಕ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿ ವರ್ಗದವರೇ, ಬೋಧಕೇತರ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿ ವರ್ಗದವರೇ, ಪೋಷಕರೇ, ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಮಾಧ್ಯಮದವರೇ, ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ಕೆಲವು ವಿಚಾರಗಳು ನಮ್ಮ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ರು ಚಮಸಪ್ಪ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಕೆಲವು ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಬರ್ತವೆ. ಹೋಮ್ ಸಿಕ್ನೆಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು 80ನೇ ಇಸ್ವಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳು ಇವತ್ತು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನಿಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದರು, ತಾಯಿ ಬಂದಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಂಥ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೂ ಕೆಲಸದಲ್ಲಿ ದುಃಖ ಆಯ್ತು. ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ ಮಠಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಅವತ್ತೊಂದು ಶನಿವಾರ ಗುರುಗಳ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಪಡೆದು ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಮಾಧಾನ ಆಯಿತು. ಆವಾಗ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತು ನನಗೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ಸು ಎ ಹೋಮ್ ಅವೇ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹೋಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಮನೆ, ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಂದಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಸೇರಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮನೆ ಅನಿಸಿದ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಭಾವನೆ ನನಗೆ ಅವತ್ತು. ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸಕ್ಕೆ ಉತ್ತೇಜನ ಕೊಡುವಂಥ ಪೂರಕವಾದ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಮೊದಲಿಂದನೂ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬಂದಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರೇ ಪೋಷಕರಿಗೆ ಆಗಲಿ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ತೀವ್ರವಾದ ಭಯ ಬೇಡ. ಅಷ್ಟು ಒಂದು ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥಿತವಾದ ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಸೇರ್ಕಂತಿಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಅನಿಸ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ನಾವು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅನ್ಸಂತ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಟೆಂಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್. ವಿ ಲರ್ನ್ ಗ್ರೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಮೆನಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹೂ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿಡ್ ಓವರ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ದೇ ಆರ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಕ್ರಾಸ್ ದಿ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಎ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್. ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸಾಗಿರುತ್ತಂಥ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಾದ್ಯಂತ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಹೆಸರನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಪಡೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಬಾರಿ ಅಕ್ಟೋಬರ್ 2 ಗಾಂಧಿ ಜಯಂತಿ ದಿವಸ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರ ತನ್ನ ಅನಿಸಿಕೆಗಳನ್ನ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ಸ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತಿರಲಿ 2ನೇ ಅಲ್ಯುಮಿನೀಸಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಅಂಥ ಅವಕಾಶನೂ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಓದಂಥವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮೊದಲನೇದು ಸಂಸ್ಕಾರ ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೆಯುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಅತ್ಯವಶ್ಯಕತೆ. ಮಕ್ಕಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಸ್ಕಾರ ಇದ್ದರೆ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಜೀವನ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, ಏನು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ತೋರಿಸ್ಕೊಡೋ ಒಂದು ಶಕ್ತಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಿದ್ಧಗಂಗಾ ತಾಂತ್ರಿಕ ಮಹಾವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯಕ್ಕೆ ಇದೆ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಎ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿಕಲ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೆಂಪಲ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಲರ್ನ್ ಓವರ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಅಂತ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್.
Thank you, Mr. Narendranath. Now I request Mr. M.S. Bhatt, who is the father of Natesh M. Bhatt of Computer Science and Engineering. His daughter also studied in SIT, so he knows more about SIT. So I request Mr. Bhatt to share his impressions.
ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಶ್ರೀ ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ ಸ್ವಾಮಿಗಳ ಪಾದಕಮಲಕ್ಕೆ ನನ್ನ ಶಿರಸಾಷ್ಟಾಂಗ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು. ಶ್ರೀ 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 ಸಿದ್ಧಲಿಂಗ ಸ್ವಾಮೀಜಿಯವರ ಪಾದಕ್ಕೆ ಭಕ್ತಿಪೂರ್ವಕ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು. ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕರಾದ ಶ್ರೀ ಚನ್ನಬಸಪ್ಪನವರೇ, ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರಾದ ಶ್ರೀ ಶಿವಕುಮಾರನವರೇ, ಹಾಗೂ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಣ್ಯರೇ, ಹಾಗೂ ದೇಶದ ಮೂಲ ಮೂಲೆಯಿಂದ ಬಂದಿರುವ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಪೋಷಕ ವೃಂದದವರೇ ಹಾಗೂ ಮಿತ್ರರೇ, ಶ್ರೀ ಸಿದ್ಧಗಂಗಾ ಮಠದ ತಪ್ಪಲಿನಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ವಿಶಾಲವಾದ ಭವ್ಯವಾದ ಈ ಸುಂದರ ಪರಿಸರದಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಈ ಮಹಾವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಪೋಷಕನಾಗಿ ನನ್ನ 4-6 ಅನಿಸಿಕೆಗಳನ್ನು ತಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗೆ ಹಂಚಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ಶ್ರೀಗಳ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದದೊಂದಿಗೆ ನನಗೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ನೀಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ವಿನಯಪೂರ್ವಕ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಸಾಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಕವಾಗಿ, ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕವಾಗಿ, ಆರ್ಥಿಕವಾಗಿ ಈ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಿದ್ಧಗಂಗಾ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಅಭೂತಪೂರ್ವ ಸೇವೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿದೆ. ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ತುಮಕೂರನ್ನು ಗುರುತಿಸಬಹುದಾದ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಿಂದ ಅಂದರೆ ಶ್ರೀಗಳು ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಾಕಿದ ಈ ಸಿದ್ಧಗಂಗಾ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಸಿದ್ಧಗಂಗಾ ಮಠದಿಂದ ಮಾತ್ರ ಎಂದು ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯಿಂದ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಪ್ರಪ್ರಥಮವಾಗಿ ಯಾರೇ ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗೆ ಆಗಮಿಸಿದರೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿನ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿ ತೋರಿಸುವ ಸೌಜನ್ಯ, ತಾಳ್ಮೆ, ಗೌರವ ಇನ್ನೆಲ್ಲೂ ಪರ್ಯಾಯ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನನ್ನ ಅನಿಸಿಕೆ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಯನ್ನು ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಸಮೀಪದಿಂದ ಮಾನಿಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ಒಂದು ಗುರಿ ಮುಟ್ಟುವಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡಳಿತ ವರ್ಗ, ಬೋಧಕ ವರ್ಗ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಸಹಕಾರಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಆಸ್ ಪರ್ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್, SIT stands 70th in all India out of 3,000 colleges and 4th in our state. Kudos to SIT and big applause. ಇಲ್ಲಿಯ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ನೀತಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಯನ್ನು ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿರುವುದನ್ನು ಮರೆಯುವಂತಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಯ ಹಾಸ್ಟೆಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿಯ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಹಾಗೂ ರುಚಿಯಾದ ಊಟವು ಸಾಕ್ಷಾತ್ ಸ್ವಾಮೀಜಿಯವರೇ ಉಣಬಡಿಸಿದ ಪ್ರಸಾದವಾಗಿದೆ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಿದರೂ ಅತಿಶಯೋಕ್ತಿಯೇನಲ್ಲ. ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರದ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಮಹಾನುಭಾವರು, ಮೇಧಾವಿಗಳು ಭೇಟಿ ನೀಡಿದ ಪವಿತ್ರ ಸ್ಥಳ ಇದಾಗಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಪಡೆಯುತ್ತಿರುವವರು ನಿಜವಾಗಲೂ ಪುಣ್ಯವಂತರೇ ಸರಿ. ನನ್ನ ಮಗನ CET ಫಲಿತಾಂಶ 833 ಎಂದು ತಿಳಿದಾಗ ನನ್ನ ಹಿತೈಷಿಗಳು, ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರು, ನೀನು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಮಗನನ್ನು ಸೇರಿಸ್ಬೋದು, ಬೇರೆ ಪೆಸಿಟ್ ಇದೆ, RV ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಇದೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀನು ಸೇರಿಸ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಭಾಳ ಸಲ ಹೇಳಿದರು. ಆದರೆ ನಾನು ಫಲಿತಾಂಶಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆಯೂ ಫಲಿತಾಂಶಕ್ಕಿಂತ ನಂತರವೂ ಆತ್ಮವಿಶ್ವಾಸದಿಂದ SIT ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಸೇರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ನನ್ನ ಮನಸ್ಸನ್ನು ವಿಚಲಿಸಗೊಳಿಸದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಅನೇಕ ಬಾರಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದುಂಟು, SIT ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಸೇರಿಸೋದಾಯಿತು, ಇನ್ನು ನಿನ್ನ ಲೈಫ್ ಸೆಟ್ಲ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತ. ಇದು ಅಷ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ SIT ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಜನರ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಇದೆ. ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳು ಸಹ ಇಲ್ಲಿಯೇ BE ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಓದಿ ವಿಜಯಾಗಿ ಹೊರಹೊಮ್ಮಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಪ್ರೌಡ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೋತ್. ಕಳೆದ ವರ್ಷ 62 ಕಂಪನಿಯಿಂದ ಸುಮಾರು 731 ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು, ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಉದ್ಯೋಗ ದೊರಕಿಸಿಕೊಟ್ಟ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಇದಾಗಿದೆ. ಕೊನೆಯದಾಗಿ ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಷಾ ನೆಲೆ, ಜಾತಿ ನೆಲೆ, ಪ್ರಾದೇಶಿಕ ನೆಲೆ ಎಂಬ ಕೀಳರಿಮೆಯನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳದೆ ಮುಕ್ತವಾಗಿ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ನೀಡುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪೋಷಕರ ಹಾಗೂ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಪರವಾಗಿ ನಮ್ರತೆಯಿಂದ ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆಯನ್ನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ನನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪೋಷಕನಾಗಿ ನನ್ನ 4 ಅನಿಸಿಕೆಗಳನ್ನು ಹಂಚಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ಅವಕಾಶ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಶ್ರೀಗಳಿಗೆ ವಂದಿಸಿ, ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಮುಖ್ಯಸ್ಥರಿಗೆ ವಂದಿಸಿ, ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಕ್ ಡೀನ್ ಆದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಶಶಿಶೇಖರ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತಿಗೆ ವಿರಾಮ ಹೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Thank you, Mr. Bhatt. Now, impressions by final year students. First, I call upon Ms. Harshita R., 7th semester Electronics and Communication.
Good morning, everyone. I feel deeply obliged for having this opportunity to address our juniors. On behalf of all the seniors, I welcome you all to SIT. I am Harshita R. from 7th Sem Electronics and Communication. Speaking about my journey in SIT, it all started just like you 3 years ago with fear and curiosity. But here I am today as a person who has overcome that fear and stepping into path of success and with the hope of a better future. All this glory goes to SIT. The very first day when I passed through that gate, I felt welcomed with the lush green campus of us, which brings us a bright outcome each and every day, making this an optimum place for learning. Our faculty assists us in each and every required aspect to make us stand out among other engineers. The syllabus we study in our curriculum gives ample amount of knowledge about the subject. Not just that, the major benefit of studying in this institution is that it's adoptable. Like few topics or subjects are also added which are necessary in the industry. And this continuous evaluation process that is done for our grading system is a good relief so that we don't have to burn our midnight oil and we appreciate what's done in the class. Just as Rome wasn't built in a day, the preparations for placement starts from the very first sem with field employable program and soft skills training, aptitude related training skills which are in the coming semesters. That makes us perform well in the placements as well. Industrial training is a part of the course in this institution and we are offered various subjects from which we can choose from based on our interest. If you maintain your CGPA more than 8.5, you can take up your 8th sem subjects well in advance so that you can do your internships in your 8th sem. And the best part, if you are interested in research and development fields, the institution offers an undergraduate research program so that you don't have to wait till your PG and you can start off early. Studying in SIT is an ever-learning process and has always been joyful with so many fun events. And speaking about a fest, it's a 3-day fest where you can have as much fun as possible. And if you're a good sports person, try to bag as many prizes as you can on the sports day. It's not just sports or fun. You can also be a part of various other clubs like dance, drama, or editorial boards. Or are you a techie? You can be a part of a technical organization or an non-technical organization. For example, I'm a member of ICO Department Editorial Board, that is ICO Editorial Board, Departmental Newsletter of Electronics and Communication, a member of Pathfinder, a non-technical organization, and IEEE Women in Engineering SIT Student Branch Chairperson. I started in IEEE as the Execom member and here I am as a chairperson. You don't necessarily have to take up responsibilities in each organization. Just be a member. It helps you in your overall development. My 3 years in SIT has always been sparkling and seems to be just 3 months. This is the place where you grow up to be a great human being, not just develop your career. And we should be thankful to be studying in this disciplined and honorable Gurukul with the blessings of His Holiness Dr. Sri Sri Shivakumar Swami Garu. I wish you all the best and may you grow up to be proficient engineers. Thank you all.
Thank you, Ms. Harshita. Next, I call upon Mr. Rishav Kumar Goswami, 7th semester Computer Science Engineering.
Good morning, everyone. I recall the attention span of myself when I joined the college. Okay. So I will try my best to keep it short. 3 years ago, I was sitting somewhere in the place you are sitting, like you, facing somewhat intimidating prospect of cultivating my professional career over here. Of course, I had my doubts. And I realized that I think that you might be having the same. You might be thinking whether you had come to a right place or not. But with a fair measure of confidence, I can say that I had made the right decision over the past year. And in the coming years, you will be able to say that same. Provided if you have the right mindset. By this, I don't mean that you have to study always. Every waking minute, you need not spend time in studying. Study is very important. That is the prime reason you all are here. But there is a place and time for everything. We can spend our time in many other aspects of life. For example, if you want to act, join a theater group. Feel like organizing an event, go for it. If you are somewhat more technical, there are many technical organizations in our college which will be right for you. Take the best place this place has to offer, because by the end of the time, the 4 year over here, you will realize that you can barely recognize yourself. I'm still too young to say that I had say that, but so far I have noticed that if you're honest with your life, what you want out of it, the life gives you most of the part itself. Please do not take it misunderstand me. You have to work hard for achieving it. The more ambitious your goals are, the more effort is required. Please note it down. Over the next 4 years, you will have enough experience that will shape the person you become. But it is not enough. You need to put a lot of hard work in it. You may make friends, enemies, or somewhat in between. You may get your heart broken, or you may find a new passion in your hobby in your life. Go for it, follow your life, follow your passion. But at the end of the day, never forget who you want to be and what you want to become. For that, what effort you need to put. By this, before leaving the dice, I would like to say that life starts outside a comfort zone. Welcome to SIT. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Rishav Kumar. Now, administering oath to the students by our director, I request all the students to stand up.
By the freshers of 2016-17 on the occasion of their welcome ceremony on August 1, 2016. I will read out, you will repeat whatever I read out and pay attention to that. As a proud student of SIT, I hereby swear in the holy presence of Dr. Sri Sri Shivakumara Swamigalu that I will uphold the fair name of our institute by living up to the motto, work is worship. I further swear that I will bring happiness to my parents, to my teachers, and to our revered Swamiji by achieving excellence in my academic work, attending classes regularly, maintaining good conduct and character, cultivating clean habits, totally staying away from smoking, alcohol, drugs, and any other intoxicant, protecting and enhancing the serene and spiritual atmosphere of the campus, being friendly with everyone and never causing hurt to anyone, physical or mental, not even the slightest. May the grace of God and the blessings of His Holiness be with me in all my endeavors. Thank you. Please be seated.
Thank you, sir. Now, for any engineering institution to excel in technical competency, there should be constant and continuous interaction with the industries. In this regard, SIT is interacting with many reputed industries, and the major one is TCS, one of the leaders in industries in India. TCS is so impressed with our students that every year they award one best student and one best student project. In this regard, now I request Mr. Srinivas Ramanujam, Academic Relations Manager, Karnataka, TCS, to distribute awards to the best student and best student project.
My sincere pranams to His Holiness Sri Sri Sivakumara Swamiji, Director Channabasappa Sir, Principal Sir, and everyone on the dais, students and parents. We from industry, we would like to congratulate all the students to opt the great value-based education institute which we collaborate across Karnataka, Siddhaganga Institute of Technology. So on industry behalf, we would like to congratulate the students and best wishes to the parents who have shown a lot of interest and faith on the young people to opt their 4 years career going to be in SIT Tumkur. Across India, we honor these awards only very few institutes out of 1,000 engineering colleges. We have across Karnataka only 6 institutes where we honor this Best Student Award, Best Project Award. SIT is one among that. We feel very proud that association with such a great value-based institute, Siddhaganga Institute of Technology, Tumkur. Always, any new initiative from the industry, from GCS, we would like to start with. We connect with SIT and take it as a new initiative in the academia, and based on the feedback, we look at exploring other institutes. That's a kind of win-win situation we always look at between TCS and Siddhaganga Institute of Technology, Tumkur. So on that occasion, I would like to thank all the stakeholders of Siddhaganga Institute of Technology, Tumkur. Before I request the awardees to come and take the awards with the help of my other colleague who's here, I just want to share a couple of points. Keep that next 4 years, how memorable you're going to have in this great Temple of Knowledge Institute. The kind of professors you have, it is going to be very, very knowledgeable. Rather sitting most of the time in canteens, see that how you can spend a lot of time apart from your classrooms, more time in the library to gain as much as you can the information over a period, become a lot of knowledgeable individual. And after 4 years, like every other engineer, you're also going to receive your engineering degree. But how you as an SITian, make the difference is the kind of value system you bring in. So you are going to bring in a lot of values, be it be learning and sharing. Me, as a student of SIT, not only a person to learn myself, I always look at how I can share my learnings, my knowledge, how I can share to someone else. Morning, along with my colleague, we were able to visit. We were fortunate to visit the Mutt and take the blessings of Swamiji. We could able to see thousands of young people, along with the learnings, the kind of value system they are going to gain probably from their childhood. So you're all fortunate today. The professional course you are going to complete in 4 years from such a great institute. Keeping high value system, you're going to maintain even after becoming an employee or an employer of any great organizations down the line, makes you more successful and respectable you yourself as well as respecting individual, be it be your parents, your colleagues, your professors and so on. That is one of the very important value. I'm sure by default you are going to carry over a period of 4 years down the line, which is one very unique from any other engineer who is coming out from any other institutes. That is one differentiation probably from you all going to carry later. So as I mentioned, once again I would like to congratulate all the young people. Make sure that you, without losing your character in any point of time, by maintaining high values with too much of fun and humor, gain your engineering 4 years time. As one of our young people mentioned, as if they are completed 3 years, it is just 3 months. The same way, you should have a lot of good memories and many more successful, incidents, even 10 years, 20 years down the line. you should keep coming back and give back to the society. Be as a, giving back to the society to make sure part of the Abhiyan Swachh Bharat, as a employee of any organization and technical expert of any group, how I can share my knowledge to my own institute. That is one more, important parameter you need to bring in. So once again, thank you very much, the SIT Institute, to giving us an opportunity on this occasion to honor this award. And once again, congratulate all the young students opted to SIT, and many best wishes to the parents. Thank you very much. Now, along with my colleague, solution architect, banking products, Mr. Prasad, and all the dignitaries to honor this best student and best project awards. Now, can I request the Best Student Award? Best Student Award consists of a certificate, gold medal, and a check of 10,000 rupees. Mr. Shreyas KV from SIT Tumkur. Mr. Shreyas. Now I request the Best Student Project Award. We give it to a team of 4. Today, among the 4 people, the 2 people are available to collect the award. So may I request Mr. Vipul Kumar Chaudhary and Ms. Aditi Srivastava to come and take the award.
Thank you, Mr. Ramanujan. Now the next one is SIT Scholarship Awards. Now this award is given to the students who secure CET ranking less than 1000 and who maintain a CGPA of 8.5. And this year, Mr. Natesh M. Bhatt is the fresher and his CET ranking is 833. I call upon Mr. Natesh M. Bhatt. So he is the son of Mr. M.S. Bhatt, the parent who talked earlier. Next is Miss Archana S. of 5th semester Computer Science and Engineering. Her CET ranking was 59 and her present CGPA is 9.57. Next is Miss Sindhu B. Hosangadi of 5th semester Electronics and Communication. Her CET ranking was 364 and her present CGPA is 9.41. Now, benediction by His Holiness.
My dear students and respectful parents, it is great pleasure to address you this morning on the occasion of your joining SIT. I am also happy to congratulate you and your parents for choosing SIT as among the top 100 engineering colleges of the country as per the National Institution Ranking Framework of HRD Ministry Government of India. Your program of 24 years in SIT is crucial for your career, as these are the years during which you will be acquiring your professional life skills, develop interpersonal relationship with students coming from different parts of India and some foreign countries. The work culture you pick up and the discipline you also develop in these formative years will be with you for life. Therefore, essential that the things you learn and the relationship you cultivate are to be done with utmost care and discretion if you inspire you to follow and discuss succeed. Well, the management shall provide you with all necessary infrastructural facilities and has created the right ambience, the campus, which will be everything possible to help you in your learning process and to make your stay in the campus comfortable. The easiest way to earn the affection of your teachers is to regular in your time work. All the members of the are not out of function with respect to your teachers. Important that you perform with maximum efficiency. A 4-year program must be completed in 4 years with good grades so that you are ready for being recruited by companies visiting campus. Please note that time is a precious commodity which is not renewable. Hence, use it wisely to help you in this process. Your college has designed a very special handbook, work planner, which will help you plan your day's work with your day in advance. Your mind will be get focused on the day's work. Provision is also made for self-praise. It's hope that you will make efficient use of the handbook. Your goal is set for the next 4 years. The goal is to develop yourself into not only a good engineer, but also a good human being. Therefore, important that you keep your mind focused on the goal. How to keep this mind focused? Listen to Lord Krishna in Bhagavad Gita for advice. Vyavasayatmika buddhi, ekehe gurandana, vyavasayakhanantascha, buddhi avyavasayunam. The gist of the advice is only that mind is focused, which is kept occupied. Lazy mind jails workshop. Therefore, my dear students, keep your minds always kept with activities designed to match against your goal. Take good care of your health because it is essential prerequisite for achieving success in any chosen activity. Cultivate the habit of getting up early in the morning, 5 a.m., so you will get adequate time to take a morning walk in your nice campus or practice. Yoga is the word for 5 minutes. Fashion up, have breakfast, be ready to attend classes comfortably from daytime. You should also participate in sports activities day for you. You are going to be engineers and you are expected to be creative and knowable problem solvers. The growth of knowledge in the areas of science and technology is taking place at a very fast rate. So, in order to catch up with the developers, you have to devote enough time for self-learning. Your college has good library and you will make best use of it. The use of internet, mobile, web phone and the real social media will be kept in minimum. But as students, you have taken over this morning to do certain things, not to do the few other things. I am confident you will live to the commitments you have made today. May you have a comfortable and fruitful stay in this campus. I heard that so many parents have made it convenient to participate in this important function. May the Almighty God bless them all and their families Virgil and President Shivam Bhuyat.
Well, before vote of thanks, regarding today's program, after the conclusion of this program, lunch will be served in the same place. So you please vacate the place as soon as the program is over, and you can have the lunch at the vicinity of this pandal. And after lunch at 2 p.m., there are some presentations. Principal will also be addressing. And after the presentations, the HOD will be taking the students to respective departments where you will be introduced to your proctors. So this is today's program. Now I request Mr. Siddheshwar Prasad, Dean Students Welfare, to propose vote of thanks.
Reverend Pranamas to His Holiness Dr. Sri Sri Shivakumara Mahaswamiji and Sri Sri Siddhalinga Mahaswamiji. A very good morning to all of you. It gives me an immense pleasure to stand before you to express our sincere gratitude to everyone who have made the occasion a memorable one. We are fortunate enough to have the blessings of Dr. Sri Sri Shivakumara Mahaswamiji, the walking God. Let His blessings lead us in the path of truth and highest knowledge. I express a reverential vote of thanks to Sri Sri Swamiji. My respectful vote of thanks to Sri Sri Siddhalinga Mahaswamiji. We are blessed to have His divine presence. Namaste Swamiji. Known for their dedication to perfection is Mr. Srinivasa Ramanujam, Academic Relation Manager, Karnataka Tata Consultancy Services. He is here with us today. Thank you, sir, for honoring our meritorious students. We, the faculty, staffs, and students of SIT are blessed to have an able administrator, a dedicated teacher, illustration mathematician, above all, our spiritual guide, Honorable Dr. M.N. Channabasappa. Thank you, sir, for bestowing the oath to the students which they will need to follow for their lifetime. Our constant source of inspiration, practicing, work is worship, and every working moment filled with perfection is our beloved Principal, Dr. Shivakumaraya. Sir, thank you for being with us in all our endeavors. Congratulations and thank my dear students. From now on, SIT is your home away from home. You are blessed to be in this serene environment. Today is the beginning of rest of your life. I am sure you will be achievers. Best wishes from all of us here. All the very best. Be the pride of the nation. I would like to express my gratitude to all the media persons for being the part of our celebrations and for their wide publicity. I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to the Chief Warden and his dedicated team who will be providing the sumptuous food. I thank immensely the Department of CMD team for the colorful arrangement made for the grand success of this function. Dear parents, we are very happy for your presence in today's auspicious event, which marks the beginning of making engineers of tomorrow. 4 years from now, I am sure you will be here again to witness their graduation ceremony. Thank you. My sincere thanks to all the faculty and staff present here. Thanks to all for making this function a grand success. Thank you all.